Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. First, we'll take a look at the headlines. BJP, NCP, Trinamool Congress declare more candidates. BJP denies ticket to Vasudev Meng Gaonkar. NCP blesses Yuri Alemao with a Sanguem ticket. Salgaonkar, Pandurang Raut, Savio Coutinho, Bandu Desai in Trinamool. First political fight takes place in Santa Cruz. A group of men assaults a youth in Chimbel. Youth admitted in the GMC family term it political. Rebels file their nominations on Thursday. Rodolphe Fernandez, Naresh Sawar, Suresh Amonkar to contest as independent. Fast Track Racing Association of Goa is all set to organize National Supercross Championship at Naveli. Out from the stadiums and onto the beach, football challenge kicks off at Kalangut Beach in a party atmosphere. And I-League broadcasters satisfied with Fathoda Floodlights. Goa Football Association hopeful of I-League matches under floodlights in final phase, says Alberto Colasso. And now the news in detail. BJP, NCP and Trinamool Congress declared their candidates on Thursday. BJP declared 6 candidates, NCP 3 and Trinamool Congress 7. BJP did not go ahead with Naresh Sawar in Bicholi and denied a ticket to Vasudev Meng Gaonkar. NCP has allotted a ticket to Yuri Alemao in Sanguem constituency. However, Trinamool Congress has offered tickets to Pandurang Raut in Bicholi, Salgaonkar in Mandre, Imtiaz Syed in Ponda and Savio Coutinho in Madgaon.
भाजपाच्या उमेदवारांचे दुसरे लिस्ट बेरेस्तारात जाहीर झाला. उमेदवारांची नावं आसात ती अशी: मडगांव रुपेश महात्मे, डिचोली मनोहर शिरोडकार, थिवी किरण कांडोळकार, सावड्ड्या गणेश गांवकार, कुडचडे निलेश काबराल, सांगे सुभाष फळदेसाय. सांगे वासुदेव मेंग गांवकाराच्या जाग्यार सुभाष फळदेसायाक भाजपान ह्या फावटी तिकेट दिल्या.
प्रत्यक्ष बीजेपी ऐवजी इंडिपेंडंट योग्य इंडिपेंडंटाक फील्ड करप किंवा सपोर्ट करप स्ट्रॅटेजी आमी वर्कआउट करतात.
बेरेस्तारा एनसीपीन आपल्या 7 उमेदवारांपैकी 3 उमेदवारांची नावं जाहीर केल्या. थिवी निलकंठ हळणकर, वास्को जुजे फिलिप डिसोजा, सांगे युरी आलेमाव. एनसीपीचे 4 उमेदवारांची नावं अजून जाहीर जावपाची आसात. युरीक तिकेट मेळ्ळ्या उपरांत काँग्रेस आणि एनसीपीच्या युतीतल्या आलेमाव फॅमिलीतल्या एकूण उमेदवारांचो आंकडो 4 नंबरांचेर पावला.
Trinamool Congress declared their 8 candidates on Thursday. Party's Central General Secretary Mukul Roy, Goa Observer K.D. Singh, Goa President Dr. Wilfred D'Souza and others were present for the press briefing. Some days back, Trinamool Congress had declared their 18 candidates. Salgaonkar, Mandre, Dr. Wilfred D'Souza, Aldona, Bandu Desai, Walpoi, Pandurang Raut, Bicholi, Imtiaz Syed, Ponda, Almedin Mullah, Vasco, Savio Coutinho, Madgaon.
We hope that the peoples of Goa definitely choose the alternate against the corruption, against the communalism.
Jagrut Goenkarancho Ekpot also declared there are 2 more candidates in Priol and Kukoli constituency. They are likely to announce more candidates in coming days. Till now, Jagrut Goenkarancho Ekpot has 11 candidates.
आणि आता आम्ही अनेक 2 उमेदवारांची नावं घोषित करतात. ती अशी जाण आसात: प्रियोल मतदारसंघात गोविंद गावडे आणि कुकोली ॲडव्होकेट जॉन मोंतेरो. आणि या जागृत गोंयकारांच्या एकवटान फक्त एका मनशाक तिकेट दिल्ली आसा, न्हय काँग्रेसा भाशेन सगळे फॅमिलीक.
आमचो रिपोर्टर देविदास कांबळी आणि व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट ओमकार फळारी वांगडा लौकिक शिलकार प्रुडंट मीडिया खातीर.
Political clash has begun in one of the most sensitive constituencies, Santa Cruz. Mohammad Sadiq Karjagi from Indira Nagar Chimbel was attacked by some miscreants on Thursday morning. He is admitted in the GMC in a critical state. Mohammad's family claims that Gundagiri is rising in their locality. Sources say that the fight is politically motivated.
Some of the miscreants attacked Mohammad Sadiq from Indiranagar, Chimbal. He is in a critical state and is admitted to the GMC. His family members claim that a group of 10 men attacked him.
मेरा लड़का सुबह रात भर ड्यूटी किया, सुबह आया, वो पिशानी आसिफ है ना, वो उसको मार के बोलता है मैं वकील को भी मारा था, मेरा कौन कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा, मेरा भाई एक का मर्डर करा, कौन कुछ नहीं बिगाड़ा, हम 10 लोग हैं, हमारा एक ग्रुप है, हम जो चाहे वो कर सकते, हमको कोई नहीं पूछने वाला, हम आए दिन गुंडागर्दी, आए दिन दादागिरी करते, आए दिन बच्चों को मारते.
Family members claim that they feel insecure in their area due to rising gundagiri in Chimbal.
8-10 लोग थे वो लोग. नाम उसमें एक पिशानी था, पिशानी बोलते हैं उसको, उसका नाम एक्चुअली ऐसा कुछ है नाम, और आसिफ है, आसिफ, फिर बाद में पल्सर. और हम लोग क्या है गोवा सरकार से ना हम लोग रिक्वेस्ट करते हैं कि पुलिस को ऐसे लोगों को खुला मत छोड़ो, उनके ऊपर एक्शन लो. अभी देखो हमारे माँ बहनों रात को कहीं पे जाते हैं आते हैं तो वो लोग को टॉर्चर करते हैं. कोई आता है तो रात को 1-1.5 बजे तक वो रुकते हैं, पूरा ग्रुप बना के रुकते हैं, वहाँ पे ऐसी दादागिरी होती है, उनके ऊपर कोई एक्शन नहीं होता.
Sources claim that this fight is politically motivated. The situation in Santa Cruz is becoming volatile day by day with some heavyweight candidate contesting from the constituency. Election Commission has also declared this constituency as sensitive. Our video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
Many rebels filed their candidates on Thursday. Rudolf Fernandez filed his nomination as independent candidate after Congress denied ticket to Victoria Fernandez in Santa Cruz. Naresh Sawal is also contesting as independent MLA. Former BJP MLA Dr. Suresh Amonkar will contest the election independently from Sakle after BJP denied him the ticket.
Not just the Congress party, but some BJP members are upset with their respective parties. Son of Victoria Fernandez, Rudolf filed his nominations on Thursday to fight the election independently. On the other side, Naresh Sawal will contest the forthcoming poll independently from Bijoli. Dr. Suresh Amonkar will also contest independently from Sankli. He is a former BJP MLA from Pale during the BJP regime. Long-term Congress racer Victoria Fernandez has alleged the Congress party of forsaking her trust in the party.
लोकांक म्हळ्यार त्रास नाका, एक सरकार दिला तो बरी भाशेन चलोवंक म्हण हांव पासियेंस काडून रावली आनी आतां निमणे म्हळ्यार म्हाका असलो घात मारला.
Rudolf Fernandez has also revolted against the party.
आनी हे जे घडलां तेका एक कारण आहा. आमी हे रिजनल पॅनाची मिटींग गेल्ल्या फाक हे आमकां भोगचें पडलां.
Former Vice President of NCP Pandurang Raut will be contesting forthcoming election on Trinamool Congress ticket. He too was denied ticket by the NCP. He will contest the election from Bijoli. Meanwhile, Savio Coutinho has also joined hands with the TMC to contest election in Madgaon. Salgaonkar will contest from Mandre constituency on Trinamool Congress ticket. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
It's time now for a short break. Stay tuned.